Thank you for coming to watch my tutorial on PHP classes and objects, part 3. On this one, we're going to talk about extending a class. What does extending a class means? It just means augmenting the original methods of the parent class. In PHP, you cannot extend two classes at once on that higher level. You can only have a parent class and a subclass that inherits from all the other classes. And let's use an example for this. Let's call this actually parent class. Make it clear. Let's erase this down here. And now let's create a new class called child class. All right, so we see here that we have a parent class with its properties, what its property and its method. Now, if I were to create an instance of the child class here, nothing would happen because I'm not calling it an actual method. It doesn't have one. So let's create a method. And let's have this method return a child method. Oops. All right, so now let's call that child method and see what happens. This is the child method, which is exactly how it's supposed to work. Now, from here, from this instance of child class, I can't echo out the methods of the parent class. Say I don't have that option there. This is my method, is the parent method, and I cannot do anything with this because I have no access to that from this instance of the child class that I've made. So how do I get around that problem? And the way that works is by using a keyword called extend. Sorry about that. And when I use this keyword here, I will extend the parent class. So now all the properties and methods from the parent class are available to be used in the child class. And now I can actually call the methods of the parent class. Like this is my method, so it's there. I pass the argument, which could be any string. And now I could run this and I get both the child method and the parent method, and that's how that works. Now if I want to use a property of the parent class in the child class, I simply use the keyword again, this, and make a reference to that property. I can also use the methods within the child method in here. For example, if I want to use this is my method var and var argument here, I can do that. So in this case, I'm actually using the parent method inside the child method itself. And that's the real power of classes and objects in PHP, and for that matter in any programming language. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any more questions about this and other related subjects, please go to my website to www.evinw.com. Thank you.